on front kick and side kick defenses, okay? We're just gonna do the basics, then I'm gonna show a technique that I kind of developed over the years. It initially happened on accident, and then I just kept rolling with it, kept practicing it. So, if Troy's gonna throw some front kicks, okay, I'm going across. Now what is the one thing you see here? Hand up. Look how this is protected. I'm not doing it. Yeah, because what he's gonna do is come in with punches right after. So my hands have to be up, I have to be ready, okay? So this is your classic, it's like a slap, so if you're gonna go one more time, here, so again with that, I'm here, and if he's gonna side kick, same concept, okay? A little more difficult, everybody, because the side kick has a lot more power. You have to always keep a good distance as well. He's here, there you go. So front kick again, we're here, cupping that. Now I'm going to show my version of this that I just started doing. It started off with just pure laziness and just kind of evolved from there. He's going to front kick. I'm going to use my knee. Not only am I just bringing it up, but I'm going to try to pick it off with my knee and go with that motion and try to hit with the outside of my knee. So here, see, just like that. I'm going with it, and notice how my groin is protected. Okay?
Yeah, even if I go for the groin.
See? It's up. There we are, and I can start to work on my counter techniques from here because my hands are up. Okay? So same opposite leg. We're here. Same concept. I can also catch it. I'm going to go the other way, sorry. I'm here. It's going right here. Mainly I use this for the front. That one, where do you feel I'm catching you? Kind of the inside of the shin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm trying to go light here, but I'm rolling it over. So I'm just here, and I'm rolling it. Basically the same concept I'm doing with my arms, but I'm rolling it over with my knee. Yeah. Just another thing for you guys to think about, another variation of the technique. Ew.